Hey there! Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of investment options out there? Do you wish you had a smarter, more automated way to build and manage your portfolio? If so, you're in the right place, because in this video, we're diving into the research tools on M1 Finance. M1 Finance isn't a traditional brokerage. It's built for long-term, buy-and-hold investing, and its unique PI system makes portfolio management intuitive. Unlike other platforms that focus on day trading and complex charts, M1 is all about strategic asset allocation. It combines the automation of a robo-advisor with the customization of a self-directed brokerage. This gives you complete control over your investments while automating the heavy lifting. So, where do you start? The research tools are located on the Research tab. The first thing you'll see is a news stream, keeping you up to date with relevant market articles and index performance. But the real power is in the screeners. M1 offers a stock screener and an ETF screener, allowing you to filter through thousands of options to find the right investments for your goals. Using the stock and ETF screeners. Let's say you're a dividend investor. You can use the stock screener to search for companies based on criteria like dividend yield, market capitalization, and even specific sectors. You can also filter by price-to-earnings ratio and other metrics to find exactly what you're looking for. The same goes for ETFs. The ETF screener lets you filter by assets, expense ratio, and more, helping you build a diversified portfolio with low-cost funds. Once you find a stock or ETF, you can click into it to see more details, including performance over various time periods. You can also add it to your watch list to track its performance before deciding to add it to your portfolio. This is a great way to monitor potential investments without committing to them right away. Leveraging model portfolios and PIs. But what if you don't want to do all the research yourself? That's where M1's model portfolios come in. Think of these as pre-built PIs based on common investing strategies. They cover everything from general investing and retirement planning to socially responsible investing. You can either invest in a model portfolio as a whole or add it as a slice to your own custom PI. This is an incredibly powerful feature for beginners or for experienced investors who want a hands-off approach to a portion of their portfolio. The platform's dynamic rebalancing ensures your portfolio stays aligned with your target allocations, automatically buying and selling to maintain the percentages you set. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.